Again, we're subtracting two rational expressions. Before we subtract, let's go ahead and break this down. Break down our denominator by factoring it as much as we can. 2x minus 12, I can factor out a 2 and I would be left with x minus 6. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 6 is negative 12, all over 5. Minus, let's factor this down. 2 x times x is x squared. It multiplies to 12, negative, and combines to negative 4. Remember, with this being negative, one's going to be a positive, negative. So when you combo, you will actually be finding the difference of the two numbers. I could have 12 and 1, 6 and 2, 3 and 4. Notice that if I'm taking the difference of the two numbers, I want the 6 and 2. I want 6 and 2, but I want to be negative. That means my bigger number, 6, needs to be negative. All right, common denominator. I need each of the factors in my common denominator. I need a 2, I need an x minus 6, I need an x plus 2. Minus, I need a 2, I need an x minus 6, I need an x plus 2. All right, I had a 15 here, I had a 5 here. Initially I had in my denominator the factor 2 times x minus 6. I still have that. Now I can't just go invent this. I need to multiply my initial fraction by 1 whole, so let's also multiply the numerator by x plus 2. The same goes with my other fraction. I had an x plus 2 and an x minus 6, and all of a sudden I started multiplying by 2. I'm not allowed to just magically multiply. What I'm allowed to do is multiply by 1. Remember that 2 halves is the same as 1, so I can multiply 2 halves times my first fraction. Okay, common denominators. 2 times x minus 6 times x plus 2. Let's multiply 5x plus 10 minus 30. I can put this 30 in parentheses, I can take the parentheses off. It really doesn't matter because I only have one term. Nothing's happening inside of that parentheses. We're going to move this step up to here. I have 5 x's and 10, and I'm taking away 30. My x's, I only have 5 x's. I can't combine any more x's, so I'm just going to write them down. 5x. I have 10, I lost 30, for a total of minus 20. All over 2 times x minus 6 times x plus 2. We're not done because we can reduce. Notice, well, maybe we can reduce. What we have to do is factor out our numerator to see, are there any factors that cancel out? I can pull a 5 out of each of these terms. 5 times x minus 4, 5x minus 20, all over 2 times x minus 6 times x plus 2. Notice there's nothing I can cancel out, so that this is my fraction in lowest terms. It's a great day to be a wolf at Ranch View High School.